like and subscribe. Donate to the Ramen Raider, link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, this is a collaboration between Nissin Foods Singapore and Irvins, makers of the popular salted egg chips, crisps, you know. And this is salted egg flavor mala, so this should be a Szechuan peppercorn styled offering. So salted egg with Szechuan peppercorn. I think that'll be interesting. There's a hot and spicy, there's original, and then there's the mala. And so far, I am very happy to say that the regular, the original, I gave it 5 stars. It deserved every one of those stars. It's good, and it's a serious contender. Let me say that, because it's like incredibly good. I liked salted egg before, but this really exalts it to another level. The combination of the salted egg flavor and the noodle that they're using as a vehicle to send that flavor to your face hole. I like it. So. There you go. I am thirsty, man. But yeah, you get to watch it go. It's what you do. So yeah, I'm curious how this one will pan out. I think it'll be all right. I'm glad I was wearing shoes, because that would have been my ankle going under the wheel of my chair. That would have hurt. I actually did that the other day. I didn't run over it, but I jammed my ankle under my office chair. That hurt. And just like my heel just got right underneath it. Nice and cloudy out today, man. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna try to bust out. Oh, I still gotta do that dang unboxing too. I really should do that. It takes a while to get these reviews ready. At least the stuff I've got left are all bowls. And that's a good thing, because the bowls are quick. It's just like scan the lid, scan the sides, take the pictures, all done. You know. But the multi-packs, though, like this one is from, those take a while, because I cut the top and bottom off. I peel the spine, and then I've got to check for any inconsistencies and make it like nice and flat. I use my we've got a big piece of plexiglass and a shower handle that's suction cupped. That's the RPFD, the Ramen Packaging Flattening Device. So what I do is I put it on top of what I'm going to scan, and then I kind of pull the packaging a little bit, and that pulls out a lot of the stuff, and it's nice and flat on the scanner, and then I scan it, and it comes out really good. Do a lot of editing though. Those can be trouble, but the bowls and cups, the sides of those, scan real easy, and then I just gotta like use a round marquee tool just to select the area, and then there's a little bit of cosmetic work I gotta do on them, but generally there's next to nothing. So cups and bowls, they go really quick. Packs, those can be a pain, but they're more fun. So yeah, and God knows I enjoy fun.
Don't you? I do.
Alright, so let's do this mala. We're gonna drain our noodle, and it's noon. Welcome to the PM. Yeah, these are... I was expecting possibly with this one to have a reserve this much water or something, but no, these are super easy to cook up. No funny silly that you gotta deal with. Alright. But one thing is, my wife and kids, they don't like the smell of the salted egg. So it's like, as soon as I'm done with this, and I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna try to do that package today. As soon as I do that, I gotta bring the trash with me because just the smell of the sachets in the trash, just like, they don't like it. How can you not like salted egg? It's nice. Savory. And I'm guessing this is the mala element. And then there's the little salted, or the egg crumble. And that is an interesting thing. It's basically like egg yolk and a little bit of flour, and it's just like crumbs. It works really well. It kind of seems just like little egg bits. It smells very mala. I think it might be more mala than I would like. I don't know. Anything that's detracting from that great salted egg flavor is kind of what I have a problem with. So let's come on, you. Get around the fork. So there we are. It's kind of a flat, slightly broad noodle. It's really good. That's a pretty good. But again, it takes away from just the straight salted egg flavor that I like so much. And I gotta go with the original is where it's at. But then there's also bowl versions that I'll be getting to pretty quick. And I have a feeling those may be a little bit different. Maybe, not much, but a slight bit different. I need to get more scallions. I like a little scallion. And then we've got our little bit of eggy bits. I got work to do. This has been fun. It's time to do other stuff, including working on this. You want to see something neat? Watch. Look at that. It rotates. All right, well, that's it for me today. You'll see some more Singaporean delicacies tomorrow. And, which will be Friday. Last day of school for the kids before next year. Winter break. Wow. All right, this has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.